our drainage systems, any rapid urbanization, flood, cause widespread damage to properties and infrastructure. Share areas been partner mostly since so to Ghana ha affecting empower. Yama Greater Accra region. Oba Accra ha areas baby aya in Shota a hard dream pa ultimu say ma traffic backroom ema microphone adani omo niema otiti etu omo firi ho ne Accra Central so ko Accra Central enu baby bakwa in Shota a hard dream pa Kanesi Odona Alajo Adabraka Kwame Nkrumah Circle Ashamai Teshinungwa Taifa Junction eho nyina baby ewa Accra ha sensuto a hadrin pa ema ekwam ene ya kwan so nyina akra tumi tos kra sama ekwan ye nam so no kra yera yehu na we nyina ya ka say the reason being that we have a poor drainage system, unplanned settlement and rapid urbanization and for free grassing ba ekrum for greener pastures doorso and the drainage system nenso no ensheda enkwanim sa enti we enema senso to Accra ha flood na eba ha no eka ekire yekọ voter region so areas so to ha drink kakra Keta Angloga South Tongu and part near the Volta River. Also ye baby in Shota a hard dream pa. Yanko northern regions areas needs to be to say Tamale, Savlugu, Tolon and floodplain areas of the White Volta. Also ye baby in Shota or northern region a hard dream pa. Upper East and Upper West regions Bogatanga, Boku and the Wa also in Shota a hard drain pass areas no yahwe central and western regions so Cape Coast secondary Takrady any Elmina and also baby in Shota a hard drain pass prof yahwe data ya that's a refer there on behu on Facebook no on behu senior data no chere e screen so unfortunately on ten there on better but Facebook no mo hwe live no there ombehu ye from 2000 up to 2015 ensure ato a flood ane nipa ewunkofo affecting nipa displaced of ne casualty nyina so on the 7th of May and 5th of June 2000 the number of communities are ensured to affected 49 and a nipa a displaced from ye free baby ako baby 6,584. Number of casualties are recorded here in 7th May and 5th June 12. And estimated costs are damage 5.65 million USD. So I read that of 1st June 2001, 65 communities affected, 41,450 number of people displaced and 13 casualties. And since you heard data here, kusi 3rd June, yeah, beka 3rd June, in Suyire Yiwo circle, ni fuel station, Gulf fuel station, and ni oil could dia fry ekum nipa bebre. On the 3rd June, the number of communities circle around Honum, the nipa in Sionu affected 159. Nipa wu ye casualties 159 and the nipa displaced almost and 8,000. So her estimated cost of the damage it was 0.38 million US dollars. Yeah, from 2016 to 2019. June 2016 Accra experiencing heavy rain power a leading flood and then also a wasem assembly na na June and June 2016 one and lose your life due to the flood now a year 2016 in 2018 Northern Ghana so experience the same flood and displacing for 100,000 people our Northern Ghana. The flood also led to the collapse of numerous bridges now what Northern Ghana. So 2019 Upper East also experiencing torrential rainfall in October and initially did devastating flood across all the 15 districts. And nipa estimate yes and nipa bed just say ewu ye between 19 and 29 deaths. Our upper east 2,000 people were displaced and 1,500 homes were destroyed. Our 2019 in Sua Etoy. Ashanti region experienced the same. And also a nipa num and the wuya, and my nipa bako a raya, yen who baby of fire. Local Central region swap. In the same 2019, there was a 6-hour heavy rain. Leading to flood. Cape Kozema transportation according to Yinabe Basa Ewo. Yaba Greater Accra region in the year 2019, a short toy October nim Ayama Accra motorway no a suyiri yepa ema transport any nipa movement ebeye bibio yemra 2020 Sierra 2020 northeast region ensure etoye pa due to torrential rains and a spill of Burkina Faso in the mid of August be Burkina Faso dam no in the mid of August any September I resulted to some distractions by no yemfa say nyema course was 13,469 homes. Nipa efie ni nyema omosisi nyina approximately it was calculated that 51,738 individuals were affected across the various communities and 19,690 acres of farmland impacting crops like maize, rice, millet, and sorghum. Emma nipa 10 ewuye during that time, 2020. You hear Upper East region, so and almost experiencing some form of rain. And also causes some distractions. You heard distractions and Nema causes yena. You see 5,720 acres of farmland across 8 municipalities and districts. Approximately, there was 16,574 farmers affected, with major losses in maize and rice crops. Emma, losses in livestock 406, and a destruction of 201 homes in the Busa North district. And also Asema here in the year 2020. See, year 2021, Upper West region. August 13, 2021, almost experienced severe flooding in the Upper West region. Affecting area bit say Nadowili, Kalia district, Jirapa district, and Laura municipality. Nadowili.
Nadoli Kaleu.
Kaleu district.
I know Nadoli Kaleu.
That's right.
And
Jirapa district. Mbajoze.
Yeka huona dagara.
Mbajo debi.
Huona dagara.
Professor Mbesian language in before.
Sir.
Because me who says see abia obo.
Ma dagara bielim.
Na no ka ewe.
Ma dagara bielim.
When we are here for the Dagati. Oh, Prof. Yabeba Bisia. We are versatile. Baby obo. Baby obo. And you heard this rational.
Also, baby amebo.
Messi baby obo.
Oh, so for Kabakasa.
Debbie, man, come back. Messi baby obo. Language more, nimdie more, politics baby obo. And baby obo. School fees now say
school fees na
chechiro no okay can say gumasu.
And we dey aka wasa senior man be who share school fees in there. And the haircut dey there.
Serious.
Why the haircut no?
In my hair. Say manager say yenya problem kakra no. Ya rehwe no say barbering shop.
Akosiago.
Akosiago.
Mo never snow.
Nerezo nko e fa.
I say o da manager wa ha. Etre ayi a ye di be adwuma no say o so ma. Standard be di yeti. Yentu aso. Prof
yentu aso ayemra 2023.
Yeah.
Mid-September, VR4 initiated some control spillage from the dam. And also a course have occupied area honor baby akoso modam. I say approximately 35,857 people were displaced. Emma and also Ekoya Sema a year assembly. And to share Ghana statistics now, you to me say ensure air to memuhano. Say Niema and you kum crofonso. And your best ani die mu a empanifo a edi mu di bim se ese omo hwema saa nyema we nyina solve no ye be sere se omo hwe na omo si ano kwamam da dodo na no yetimi hu se contributing factors e ma se nso eba ana yirifa ya kwan yirifa nipa efa nipa ekum nipa esen krofo dan dodo na de dimutintima pa ye drainage issues yan drainage issues baby ensuo ni nam gutters ni niema ni nyina no
emuasi yesi na no techima
emuasi
yesi nsuo to ye pa ekwan mu ho no enye easy
ayiri ensuo ni nya baby mfa ensuo ni nya baby mfa ana nkrofo nso efiri nkrase ba nkra se o mepe greener pasture no omoso unko baby a ebi okra omo bokios kios no mo de see drainage areas enti mensuo no emfa baby SF faniko and climate change so is another one factor e was say ye share na ye ho adwuma na ka me pesa me show some pictures bi
pictures no
it is all pictures we are utimi hwe we a circle dey na
on Facebook no wetin akọ no makohwe
we a circle there no and we so say
circle cars na gu gutters
cars na gu hosa no emre nso ni ene fu on fry enipa ehien prof wo hwe sa picture we kra dia chese enipa wa ha nyina there's no way ya obinya debi internet
na so the grab to our dem ho
enso no ba dem ha ogine mu a enso no de daabo enti prof ye besere ani die mu a ena wie ne SOMPA research team ne de baaye ye sere animdifo omo sa wo mu bi se omo moayen ensuo toyi omo moayen na okwan ebe fa so ebe solve flat issue no ya solve enti prof na menshira
but that's pass by all right so say ya kwa about so na ye need the weatherman akwa kobo